has a lot of weight behind it. And this is my... Found a lighter. Somebody put a can of beer in a grocery bag and tied it to a twig. Who? What? That's a poop bag threaded between the pole. He's fishing over the edge of the bridge.
Alright, this has been Will's watering hole. I'm Kevin Spacey, and we're out.
I'm gonna try my patented move called the power cast. Watch me do it. Ready? So.
Oh, that's attached to my bag. Ripped a little on my bag.
Okay, step number 2 without hooking his bag. My power... Shit. My power cast. Ready?
Look at the pure force and energy into that little man.
That little bird. Stay there.
Go for the trees.
Fuck, where is it?
What?
Where is it?
5.
Where, okay, what the
Cool.
where's the spider? Where's the spider? Okay, the wasp is there. Where's the spider?
Over there. So, he's afraid of spiders. He won't admit it, but he's leaving because of the spiders.
You can fish at. The water's really high right now, so... You trying to climb?
Not successful.
That feels way too light. You're kidding me.
Sounds like last Friday. It was a
Today-
really nice lure too. It was one like this, but a lot smaller.
Today, we're gonna head... You
It's on
seriously
here.
got it? Hold on.
Yes.
Don't run. Look at that!
Yes!
Oh my
We
god.
retrieved it!
Hold it for the camera.
We retrieved the line!
That's been there for like a week. Yeah, you got it caught in the tree. Alright, he's gonna go into the water to get it. I was gonna go over here, but I can't reach.
Unless I can get it out without cutting the twigs.
Probably can. He figured, might as well.
I'll take my shirt off. You want to blow this part.
He's enjoying the weather.
I regret my mistake. Oh, it's getting to my cock. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Any guide, you know. Oh, it's really cold on your cock. Fuck. Fuck. Shit. It's actually not that bad. It's kind of like a pool in the summer when you're just getting into it and it's kind of cold.
This is colder than a pool in the summer. This is like 40 degrees.
Listen, to all of you subscribers on this channel, I were to get 100 subscribers by the end of this week. Fuck my dick. I'm doing this for you guys. Should I just go under?
If you want to, I'm not forcing you to do anything here.
3, 2, 1. Look! Holy shit! Holy fucking shit! Holy fucking shit!
It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, really cold. Thanks for asking. Alright, on count of 3, I'm just gonna go completely underwater.
You gonna do it? Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
Holy fuck. Cut.
How do you feel right now?
Refreshing. No. Sorry. I was about to say we had it snagged, but he was going ape shit and threw it and almost hooked me.
Damn, I'm sorry.
That Oh, well, we got. This is the only good spot that we have to catch anything. What's up, ladies?